ꯌꯦꯟ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯦ? ꯍꯥꯎꯔꯅꯤ. ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯀꯟ ꯀꯜꯂꯦꯖꯥ ꯃꯀꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯨ ꯌꯦꯔꯨꯝꯕ. Good morning. Ngasi ayuki pung 7:30 tabda ngari and we are heading to Helsinki. As I mentioned on the last vlog, Manipur dagi imanabi mein thengnaye a new friend and mana Ningol Chakouba gi invitation pire ko to mai manakta chatpane. It is a long journey but yeah, enjoy the view. Hojik pung 9:30 kar hele ado nongalakpada ngari ko. Ado asang aman gai che yengmada matam hogibadi khanghote ko khoi Helsinki Yoreko. Helsinki is the capital city of Finland. It's a 475 years old city founded by a Swedish king. This is a parliament house niko Finland. It brings modern and classical twist in the structure. You can see the natural history museum. There are museum, theater, makhan yam lay ko do khoi matam se amna tight wene duna khara muchara age see train so you can see everywhere in every minute. Welcome to Helsinki.
Chiparengja.
Yenga city se.
We were planning to explore the city a little bit, but yam inge dugo journey chalo bagi kharshu ware aduna we are directly going to her place.
Yaure yum na chatli. Sumle baba. Honda. Ingella vesle man. Sin mathakta. Tangani ngasidi yen thongbra sa? Haurani. Sida makan kaleja makan singju yerumba. Si Emeldana Chakoubi ngasi. Sida nga lere. Okay. Haurani. Lomba adagi twidding besan irola ani sida Emeldana.
I'm very good with chopping, so they need to chop.
You are not invited here. Apa nga? Makan met pa. Haurani tinyo lay. So na singju loy ga.
So Melanie is also like non-veg, right? You're non-veg. Okay. So back in.
Take ba? Siwai. Kuya tum da home sa.
Yeah, how Reka? Nice.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Amanda. Shalay, diba? Ako'y lunch chaba lura ka mapantole ko imanabi na ako'y mga hakpubigyan na ibani ato si se suman to ba pot mata sumlay ko. Sika de chatoy no. Yung mi railway station de phazatra. So we are heading to White Church. There. Mushroom or malay berries. Oh. Tiyo. Kay nga no. Ahan baga no ne free market ne uri se Finland laga. There. Samudra da koi bana mo. Helsinki ice kawi adagi marigold round se. Adagi se yung private island lay re khara. Isa. Wai sida mo yi Thai nagi market macha man. Changnaga yengsi kain tawbano. Yengo kain de. Angito. Yengo to nungsa khar sar de am phazarada nang sinimit. Palit. Mathangdana mana pak amada pubiye mamingde kawgare ko research to theaga. Interesting fact, sigi dress you can see everywhere in Helsinki aduga frequency so am toy ko moige. Yam phajadra mo idiam ngauzaye. The best time to visit here is during the starting of October neko. Aduda nangi unawana je fully mature oraga pura golden lips and nungshit khaga sitlaga ko. Adagi sunlight ki reflection ga loina yam phajabo helle ko. Ado hojikti ing ma hore e adu nong du dum thili churaga lai yang wasi unawana loi ken gre mo. Koi beach da la yang ta. Ngasi day Helsinki trip lore ko ngasi yam nungai gore imanabi na ju koibo pube mana ju Chakouba de chak su myam chasalaga ne tholai se yo. So guys, the fun part is not ended yet and we are heading to the light show. So they are celebrating the 80th anniversary of Moomin. Moomin se kanuniko mo se I don't know fictional character created by some Finnish artists. Aduga Japan da yamna famous oy baniko sige character se. Sida laire Moomin se dum Ghibli movie gumba yengadi khangam hai kanoi sho. Light show di yung balore ado ngasi di chalamdai da Tampere city macha ma explore tawrage nungdangi view mo yeng oko. Ado Christmas yoksala abanina street yam phajare ko mai myam thalaga yengom ta. Si yengo phajadra. I'm seeing so many people for the first time. Christmas ki decor faja to bahura ko. Oh, sige second hand store sinaga maming sa place 7 euros yung rest is 1 euro spoke sale daw to ni ko atu da airport lerga lakyo. No ba man naked oy rese. Sino pa siya? The Naked Man. Sina breeze mathagtagi ni ko dada mo video lor lay thokare. Ngasi di phajana koire ko from Helsinki to Tampere. My feet are already numb. Aduga no should enjoy the ramen at Hazai ko. So ngasi di swipe the lesson and see you in the next video.